My name is Jamie Munro and I am the Sales Manager for Pentland Medical. Pentland Medical are a UK-based distributor working with various overseas partners to bring a range of patented and unique devices to the UK healthcare market. We do like to work with very niche and unique devices that offer something new to the healthcare market with the aim of improving patient safety and clinical practice. We're here today at the EBME Expo in Milton Keynes to launch this exciting new device called Monidrop. Monidrop works by clicking onto a gravity IV set and accurately monitoring the flow rate from the drip chamber. We have chosen the EBME meeting as it's the biggest gathering of electro-biomedical engineers in the UK, and we find this is a really good audience for this type of device, and we think this is going to be an excellent opportunity to launch this product in the UK. As well as improving patient safety by giving more accurate intravenous therapy from a gravity set, we can also cut down on the overall use of infusion pumps. When using an infusion pump is not entirely necessary if you can accurately monitor the flow rate from a gravity IV set. So yes, you can cut down on the consumable cost because a pump giving set is actually more expensive than a gravity IV set. But as well as that, you can also cut down on the maintenance required. If we're cutting down on the overall use of infusion pumps, then we don't need to spend as much time and money maintaining them. Monidrop is much lower cost and lower maintenance by comparison.